Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Think Big Digital. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a database in Notion, and that's pretty simple. So open the Notion application and go to the page or the table or the database that you have added in your Notion. And at the right side corner, you will see this three dot option. Simply select the option, and from here, duplicate the database, or you can also choose these short keywords, which is Control D, and the left side you will see this is the duplicate database. Or if you want to move this page into another page, simply tap on this three dot option again and select the option Move to, and here you will see all of the your Notion pages. Select the page where you want to add this database, and that's it. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion, and keep in touch with us for more tips and tricks.